In this video, we can talk about top 5 pipl.ai alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are here to find the best alternative to pipl.ai, then you made the right decision. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the top 5 email automation tools, including Instantly, Smartwriter, Email.ai, Outbound Flow, and Lyne.ai, the best competitors to pipl.ai you have asked for. Now let's explore all the 5 alternatives. The first alternative is Instantly. Instantly is a powerful email outreach automation platform designed to help marketers scale and optimize their email campaigns. It provides features such as automatic follow-up campaigns, lead generation, personalized templates, and easy integration. This innovative tool provides users with the ability to send a massive number of monthly emails with an unlimited number of email accounts. Its standout feature is the AI-powered personalization that enables users to craft personalized emails with just a single click. Second one is Smartwriter. Smartwriter is an AI-powered email writing software for businesses looking to save valuable time and increase their outreach ROI. It offers features like personalized cold email outreach, LinkedIn Chrome extension, deep enrichment, and automated SEO's backlink outreach. By utilizing AI technology, Smartwriter generates professional-grade sales and marketing emails in mere seconds. The software's standout feature is its ability to generate personalized content that resonates with the target audience, increasing the chances of conversion. Its ability to generate personalized content that resonates with the target audience, increasing the chances of conversion. Third alternative is Email.ai. Email.ai is an AI-first email marketing platform designed to help growing businesses automate their marketing campaigns and expand their audience with ease. It offers features like drag-and-drop email builder, free templates, AI-powered suggestions, and automation and drips. The tool's advanced AI algorithms help analyze customer behavior and perform high-precision segmentation. The standout feature of Email.ai is its ability to integrate multiple channels and multiple solutions into one seamless experience. Fourth alternative is Outbound. Outbound Flow is a smart AI platform that enables businesses to enhance their sales pipeline by generating personalized email outreach campaigns rapidly. It offers features like personalized cold emails, 20 languages supported, ultra-fast prospecting, and automated outreach. With this tool, the sales team can engage in AI-powered personalized cold email outreach that is both effective and efficient, helping them close more deals in less time. Outbound Flow offers a standout feature of live email validation, ensuring that users avoid spam filters and increase overall deliverability rates. Fifth alternative is Lyne.ai. Lyne.ai is a leading platform that empowers growth-focused professionals to send personalized cold emails at an unprecedented scale. It offers features like increased response rate, in-depth research, and more sales, using AI-powered sales personalization. Lyne.ai allows businesses to craft targeted messages that resonate with their prospects' unique needs and interests. The standout feature of Lyne.ai is its proprietary language processing engine, which offers natural-sounding email templates and suggestions for better communication. Compared to pipl.ai, Instantly offers a more comprehensive data enrichment solution with real-time data verification. Smartwriter is focused on improving the quality of your written content, while Email.ai is an email automation tool that can help you improve your email marketing campaigns. Outbound Flow, on the other hand, offers robust email automation solutions to outbound sales productivity. Lyne.ai, on the other hand, provides a customizable data processing solution that can help you extract valuable insights from your data. If you're looking for an email automation tool that can help you improve your email marketing campaigns, we recommend Email.ai as the best option. So there you have it, our top 5 alternatives to pipl.ai. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision about which email automation tool is right for your business. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.